never heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back, buongiorno, to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Wait a second. Let's get straight into these hot topics for today.
And we're going to start it off with Happy Halloween.
That's right, October is here. It's not Halloween yet, but IK is in the spooky spirit, so that means October is finally here, everyone. And you know what that means. IK and I are going to be dressing up real cool and smooth for this Halloween. We'll let you guys know what we dress up as.
And both of our birthdays are on this month, so stay tuned for that because we have some big things planned.
Tell them to bring me my money.
That's right.
But we're going to get into our episode for today, starting it off with our first hot topic.
Nick Cannon. So we've been seeing Nick Cannon. He's had about 3 episodes now. He's been bringing on all his friends that he's had in previous shows where he brings them on as guests. But the thing I can say is the best thing about Nick Cannon's show for me is the damn cam, where he says, damn, I look good.
Little segment we like to call the damn cam. I'm putting the cameras on you because damn, you look good. Let me see what you got on. Oh, damn, I look good. You sure do. You better be fly. I look good. Let me see who's looking good.
Because IK and I look good, and we can relate to that.
But one thing I have to say about that is that all the people he's brought onto the damn cam, today was the best person.
She did look really good. She had a 2-piece outfit where she had this long sleeve, it was a flowy arms, and then it looked like a bodysuit, but it was cut in half and it looked really nice. So she did look good today.
Nick almost went off the script on that one too, because he started getting heated up.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
And Mariah Carey, damn. And I'm not saying I look good, I'm saying you got trump carded. Because right now, Nick is weighing his options. And Mariah, you got deleted.
That's right.
Let's get into our next hot topic for today with
the She's Hot contest.
That's
we know you guys have been
everybody.
waiting all week for this, so let's go ahead and mention it. Our She's Hot winner for today is Miss Sydney Sweetie because she is hot. Congratulations.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Congratulations to your win, Miss Sydney Sweeney. Because Miss Sydney Sweeney is an MMA fighter training with Ronda Rousey's senseis, and she's also
a fellow actress where she's been in TV shows like Euphoria and in a lot of scary movies. So she's really made her print.
We're probably going to have to watch some of her movies because you know it is the spooky month right now.
And IK and I always do our movie reviews. So we're going to see the next one that Sydney Sweetie is in, and we'll tell you guys how it is. But once again, Sydney Sweetie, congratulations on your win.
Congratulations. But we're going to get into our next hot topic with Venom.
That's
Dr. Ross and I saw the premiere of Venom, and it was amazing to me.
It blew
Shang-Chi away, and Shang-Chi was a mainline film.
Exactly, and I've always loved Venom, IK, because Venom is like a puppy dog. I just think he's hilarious, he's funny, he's cute, and it's good.
Oh, wow.
You could just say, I'm happy for you.
That was going to be us. I am happy for you. No! God, I'm so sorry. Not sorry.
These two need some serious couples counseling.
But one thing I'm going to say, maybe the ladies are going to say it's not that good for them, but for me and the guys, they're going to say thumbs up, A+.
Excuse me.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Coronavirus. But let's get into our next hot topic for today and our final hot topic.
So I do want to mention that Tyrese is still scandalous, and Tyrese he's not done with it.
I don't like where this is going.
Tyrese recently posted a nude, naked video of his ex-girlfriend. Sorry, he posted a nude video of his ex-girlfriend on Instagram, and he went on saying, "We could have been so good together if you would have tried." And she reposted the video that he took and posted on her in the Instagram. And she said, you can't beg a man to respect you, you can't force a man to respect you, but you can refuse to be disrespected. And then she said, it's better off that we've broken up and we've left on good terms. What do you think, IK?
What do you do? My keys! My keys! My keys!
Tyrese needs to find himself a new woman. These were all of our hot topics for today, but we'll see you guys in the next installment because right now we're driving around in our brand new limo.
That's right. Getting us something to eat and experiencing the nightlife because, you know, IK and I, we like to stay in the night like vampires.
That's
Let's
right.
close it out.
I grip it and I rip it. It's how I do it.
Live with a lot of flair, live it on the edge. It's just
how
what
it
I gotta
be.
do.
These were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you guys on the next episode. We're out. That's for you, Kylie Jenner.
And Sydney, sweetie.
We'll see you in LA.
I can't sit here and listen to you goofy niggas anymore!